Hi guys, I hope you are fine. Yeah, here's my car. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hi people, are you okay? I hope you're fine. Just want to take this paper. Yes. ألم تر إلى الذين بدوا. I just want to see how can I go. Can I go faster or not? Yes. You see? Oh my God. Yeah. That will be a little embarrassing. And it's a beautiful view of Abu Dhabi. I love the place. The pretty fan. What's that shit? TikTok. So, well, actually, I can't walk very well, but this is the beauty, the most sensational. How can I go on the hump? Wow, 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 slowly. And I was about to quick over, but now I have to turn right. You see, like this again. Yeah, yes, slowly. Ya Allah. So literally guys, I'd like to tell you that we are here in Abu Dhabi and we are loving the place. Beautiful view. I just want to see whether they give fine to my car or no. No. We have mashallah 1, 2, 3. Yes. And okay, no. Yeah. Then what is the small car? Small is over. This is for John Cena. Jonah, Awadika Gode Chavai Tosradi? This also my car. Now I have to cross the hump. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. It's quite difficult. And this is my place in Abu Dhabi. This is also my car. Crazy Bengal. Yes, first one. So here I have to make here. I can also do like that. Whoa!